Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the Visit Site button on your bestcompany.com profile and also how to access your free promotional URL. First log into your Snowball account, then navigate to the company profile builder on the left. Near the top you will notice the Visit Site button. Go ahead and click on Edit. Here you will see two different URLs that are associated with your bestcompany.com profile. Let's focus on the second one for now. This link is your free bestcompany.com promotional URL. If you click on it, it will take you to your bestcompany.com profile. You can use this promotional URL in your marketing materials to send to customers, on your website, however you would like. So go ahead and click Copy Link, and now you have it copied to share however you want. You'll also notice that it says you do not pay for leads or link outs generated from these visitors, which is why it is a free promotional URL. Okay, let's switch our focus to the first URL. When a customer clicks the promotional URL that you have just copied, they will be taken to your bestcompany.com profile, and they will see the Visit Site button at the top. When they click on the Visit Site button, they will be taken to the destination URL, which you can set right here. Go ahead and edit this field and put in whatever URL you would like your customers to be taken to after they have seen your bestcompany.com profile. Once you have made that edit, go ahead and click Save Changes at the bottom. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck using your free promotional URL and your Visit Site button on your bestcompany.com profile page.